A quick update on Goldfinch here, up almost 48% on the week. We had that nice move out of here. We started to pull away from this trend line here, but you can see we're already back testing it. We're hitting the 236, so just keep it that simple. As long as you're over 67 here, then that should be the bottom, and we're either going to go sideways or we're going to go right back up. But the big thing is we have to get over this red box here, the 2363 to anywhere from 88 to 94. Once we break over this level here, then you can be bullish on this thing from the high to the low after this breakout here. So it's not in a bad spot right now. We've seen a couple of coins break the downtrends they've been in, and they had decent moves, and some kind of got stuck. So we'll see what happens here. But it is a good step in the right direction for these coins to finally be breaking out and getting some sort of movement to the upside here. So back test on that level. Need to get over this up about 94 level. Let's zoom out to the weekly chart here. And it simply came down all the way back down to the trend we have on the chart here. It held it. It held the 786 final support. And now it appears it's trying to break out here. So we'll see what happens, but you have to get over 95. Looking on the weekly candle here, you can see it's trying to get back down in the trend. And then if we zoom out to the monthly chart here, let me go ahead and make this to where you can see it. You know, on the larger time frames, you're clearly still in a downtrend here. So this is a crucial price to get over our little red box here, and then GFI can start moving back up here. Now, with that being said, if that was the bottom and holding on that back test, and if we do start moving up on those smaller time frames, where is GFI potentially going to end up? So we have the 786 retracement new high would take you up to a 22x, up to 14, almost $15. Would get you pretty much, let's see here, pretty much a 23, 24x. And then if it goes higher than that, maybe it makes a higher high, let's see, or a lower high rather. I think this line we have on the chart is the official high from CoinMarketCap at about 32.80. So if we hit that, then maybe that's where you get a 50x. And then if it's going to go higher than that, a slightly higher high to $50 would take you up into a 78x. So I'm not saying those are going to get hit at all, but you know, it is good to look at them. But if I had this coin from the bottom here and I got a 22, 23x up to $15, that's where I would end up getting out. So what are your thoughts on GFI at this moment, at this point where the price is? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.